everyone, how are you all? This is your Rupa and welcome to my channel Paru's Akshay Patra. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the most prestigious examination of India, that is NTSC examination for all outgoing 10th standard students of every academic year, conducting with the help of CBSE as well as NCERT Council and searching for the talent. It is hunting for the talented students of India to give a financial support for all the students to get their proper education up to their university level or up to their PhD level. Government is going to support you financially to get your education successfully. Many of the parents don't have a clear picture or awareness about NTSC examination. What for NTSC examination and what is the need to write NTSC examination, even for students also not giving a proper awareness about NTSC examination to all the aspirants. So in this video I am going to tell you about what is NTSC examination, who is conducting that examination, who are eligible to write that examination, and how to apply and when to apply, and what is the pattern of selection of this NTSC scholars, and benefits of this examination, and pattern of this examination, and levels of this examination, and most important, the syllabus of this examination, and cutoff mark and selection pattern of NTSC scholars. So don't skip the video from starting to ending. I hope this video will give you a clear picture and awareness about competitive examination of NTSC. To all the parents and students of 8th standard to 10th standard, this video will definitely help you out to understand what is NTSC examination. Those who are aspirants and talented students who are really working out for your NTSC examination, all the very best, and keep rocking and crack your NTSC and become NTSC scholars.
In part 1 video of NTSC, I have explained you about eligibility and who is conducting and what are the cutoff marks and benefits, number of seats, availability, etc. But this is the video 2, which contains exam pattern, exam questions, marks and time, exam syllabus, how and when to prepare, and how the examination preparation needs to happen, and how to attempt the examination, etc. So don't skip the video from starting to ending. It will be definitely useful for you to prepare for your NTSC examination. And I request all the teachers and the parents to watch this video and guide the students or your kids to prepare for NTSC examination in a better way. Thank you. Now we are going to discuss about examination pattern. It is conducting in 2 levels, level 1 and level 2. Level 1 is conducting by state government, level 2 is conducting by national government, that is central government. Level 1 is on the state board syllabus and level 2 is on CBSE board syllabus for the paper 2 SAT examination. Then each level contains 2 papers. Paper 1, that is MAT examination, mental ability test. Paper 2 SAT exam, which is also called as scholastic aptitude test. When you come with paper 1 MAT examination, that is mental ability test, is entirely on reasoning. Majorly the syllabus includes verbal and non-verbal reasoning and coding, decoding, arithmetics, mathematical operations, data sufficiency, mirror and water images, clock, time, distance, blood relations, calendar, and all these includes under paper 1 MAT examination, and the same syllabus will repeat in level 2 also. When you go with paper 2 SAT exam, we are going to talk about SAT examination, which includes 3 subjects: math, science and social. Math 20 marks, science 40 marks and social 40 marks, total 100 marks paper, for which you need to study for the level 1, which is conducting by state board and state government, 9th and 10th standard, all 3 subjects, state textbooks you need to prepare. That is math, science and social state board syllabus you need to prepare for the first level SAT examination. And even though you belongs to CBSE in Karnataka, you are so lucky because in Karnataka math and science of state board and math and science of CBSE textbooks are same. Only the cover page is different, but state board whatever syllabus they are following, same as it is. The CBSE textbooks are also contains the same content, excluding social because in state board syllabus few topics are excess in social subject which you can prepare from state board social textbook of Karnataka. Now when you are talking about mathematics, from math 20 questions and 20 marks, from science physics, chemistry and bio, physics 13 questions and 13 marks, chemistry 13 questions and 13 marks, bio 14 questions and 14 marks. When it comes to social, total 40 marks, which will be divided again into 4 parts: geography 12 questions and 12 marks, history 12 questions 12 marks, civics 8, and economics 8 questions and 8 marks. Totally these are from state textbooks, and I already mentioned math and science are same from CBSE. For level 1 examination, however paper 1 and paper 2 you are preparing, the same papers will be there in level 2 also. Only difference is paper 2, that is SAT examination for level 2, is from CBSE syllabus. If you cracked already level 1, your cutoff is matched and you are cracked for or selected for level 1 and you are writing your level 2 examination, the paper 1 for level 2 examination is same as it is MAT syllabus, and level 2 SAT examination is from CBSE board. The 3 subjects whatever you are preparing for level 2 is from CBSE textbook. Now let us discuss about NTSC exam marks. As we discussed, level 1 and level 2, and each level will have paper 1 and paper 2, and 2 papers will be there, and both in level 1 and level 2. And paper 1 is called MAT exam. MAT exam, mental ability test, 100 marks, 100 questions and 120 minutes, and it is completely on reasoning. This is examination on reasoning, paper 2. Then it is also called as SAT exam, scholastic aptitude test. In this also 100 marks, 100 questions and 120 minutes. Again it includes math, science and social. Math 20 questions and 20 marks, science 40 questions and 40 marks, and social 40 questions and 40 marks. Totally 100 questions and 100 marks. As we were already discussed in the earlier part, the total theory part of social 4 parts and science 2 parts, biology and chemistry. Even though you are not brainy in mathematics, please try to attempt all the theory part first of all, like social paper first, then biology, then chemistry, then go to physics and mathematics. Because if you struck off with mathematics one problem without solution, definitely you will waste your time out of 20 minutes. So please don't go mathematics and physics first of all. Please go to social and science up to biology and chemistry, you complete it, and then go to your physics and mathematics. This is the way how to attempt without strucking yourself in problem solving of physics and mathematics. You all must remember that your social part and the science, biology and chemistry theory part, you must be thorough with your state textbooks for first level and NCERT textbooks for second level. That is mandatory for all the students to prepare for. Now come to second level. In level 2 also, paper 1 and paper 2 same papers, and each paper will carry the same number of questions and same number of marks and same timing, that is 100 questions, 100 marks and 120 minutes in paper 1 and paper 2. Only the difference is syllabus for paper 2 SAT examination is different. That is from NCERT textbooks from CBSE for SAT examination. Even though for MAT examination the syllabus is same, but the difficulty level of questioning for level 1 and level 2 might be different. Only the difference you can find out in paper 2 level 2 is CBSE, paper 1 level 2 SAT examination is from state syllabus textbooks of math, science and social. That is only the difference. You prepare accordingly. When it comes to the major and important part of your NTSC examination is your preparation. Majority of the parents and students are having a doubt on this, when to start and how to start. All of you know that both the levels of your NTSC consists of 2 papers. The first paper is MAT, completely it is on reasoning. When it is on reasoning, it is nowhere related to your subjects of 8th standard. So you can start your MAT preparation on reasoning, complete your syllabus, one revision in 8th standard itself. When it comes to your SAT examination, where it is a subjective part of 9th and 10th standard, 3 subjects, you can start your preparation in 9th and 10th, and finally before 2 months of your examination level 1, when you are going for a preparation, you can revise once again the MAT paper as well as SAT paper. This is how you can complete your MAT paper preparation in 8th standard, so that it will not object you to go with in detail preparation during your 9th and 10th standard of your subjective part. I hope this video is very clear and gives you a clear picture and awareness about NTSC, and all the best. Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching the video. This is your Rupa, and if you feel this video is useful and the content is really needed for 8th standard to 10th standard students, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and please share this video to all your known family and friends who belongs to 8th standard to 10th standard, either parent or a child. Thank you so much.